Okay, both of my fenders removed. This is the driver's side, 1985 Chevrolet Caprice. I had two bolts mounting the fender to the door, and I removed those. There was a bolt up here sticking out about that high. I removed that one. I removed the hood mounting brackets from the fender, and I went along the underneath of my inner fender and removed this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts right there. There was a bolt up here, makes 6. I removed this bolt. That gave me a little problems, but I got it out with a little bit of elbow grease. Let me see. It was another bolt underneath right here connecting the fender, and I removed that. Let's see. A couple 10mm bolts ran around it, and a bolt that I didn't see was right here connecting the fender to the inner fender. Had to remove that. The tools I used was really a 3/8 drive ratchet with a 6-inch extension. I also had a 3-inch extension and let me see, a 15mm bolt or a 15mm ratchet wrench that worked real good to get the bolt from right here. You have to do it from the inside though. Open the door and get it, but it's right here, and I just ratcheted it off until it came off. I tried to use a ratchet on it, and it just backed all the way out until it hit the door, and then I wasn't able to remove it. You have to remove the radio antenna, and I just cut mine. I'll go ahead and replace it with a new antenna and run the cord when I put the new fender on there. Make sure I use the same piece to cover up that hole. Besides that, it wasn't bad. You just got to remember where your shims go and how many you had where, or you're gonna be doing a lot of guesswork and rework. I think pretty easy. Took me 3 hours to do it. My first time doing it. It wasn't no problem, just besides a couple stubborn bolts. I started, it was raining, now it's cold. Finished and saved a lot of money. Just take your time, and when you pull, make sure you don't pull too much, and get it off. You got bolts holding it on. Just make sure you remove all the bolts, save yourself some strain. It shouldn't be that hard to pull it off after you have all the bolts out. And just remember that. I think I'm through here. So the next video you see will be installing the new fenders. Before I get there, I'm going to clean up all this junk. Make sure I don't have any of that dirt wherever the bolts connect. I'm gonna get all this new hardware. I'm gonna replace that, so I'll have no problems mounting my new screws. Besides that, my job here is done. You've just seen me remove my driver's side and my passenger side fenders on the front of my 1985 Chevrolet Caprice Landau. Should be the same process with any Caprice or GM body from, I guess, 80 through 89, probably 78 through 89. And that's it. Hope this helped you, and if not, go find another video on YouTube.